Hey folks, Chris Bellini here, sales manager with Cole Kia. I'm going to go over the all-new 2022 Kia Carnival. Here we have the Kia Carnival in the SX Prestige trim level. The exterior color on this one is the ceramic silver, and here we have the Tuscan umber interior. Getting into the driver's seat here, we're going to start off with the steering wheel controls. To the left here, you will have your Bluetooth and audio functions. To the right, you'll have your cruise control and your driver setting options. The SX Prestige will have a 12.3-inch LCD touchscreen radio. Here you'll have your heated and ventilated front seats with your heated steering wheel controls. You'll also have here a wireless smartphone charging pad. Here you can manually activate the vehicle's 360 surround view monitor system with parking guidance. You'll have your overhead view. You can change your views from side by side down the side of the vehicle, your rear view camera, or an overhead rear view for backing up to a trailer. In your instrument cluster here, you also see you have your blind spot view monitors for your left and your right that pop up in each gauge. The SX Prestige will be equipped with passenger view and passenger talk so that you may view and speak with the second and third row passengers. You'll also be able to keep a clear watch on everyone during the evening hours with your night vision passenger view. Alright, making our way into the second row of the vehicle, you'll see one of the more popular features that it offers is the VIP second row lounge seating with the heated and ventilated seats in the SX Prestige. A convenient feature here is the front passenger chauffeur seat, allowing the driver or the second row occupants to adjust the seat for maximum comfort. The second and third row occupants will have access to a dual screen rear entertainment system. It'll have YouTube Kids, you can do device mirroring. It does come installed with preloaded apps like Netflix, YouTube, podcast, and screen mirroring from your handheld devices. This will come over a Bose 12 speaker premium surround sound system. And making our way to the rear of the vehicle, the SX Prestige will come with a smart trunk auto open feature, giving you ready access to all of your room and storage back here for your cargo and luggage. Seeing here, while the Kia Carnival does have best-in-class cargo, you'll see tons of cargo room with the third row laid flat down to maximize your storage area. You can have the third row seat up for up to 8 passenger occupancy. With the third row up, you do have your stow and go compartment here with a deep well area for your luggage and cargo. Folks, this has been the 2022 all-new Kia Carnival and the SX Prestige. Y'all come on by Cole Kia and find out for yourselves why Kia has earned itself the #1 brand in initial quality for 6 years in a row.